We are going to start class 6 from NCERT book. We are going to do some questions of chapter 1. Try these. The question 1 is, how many centimeters make a kilometer? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, which is equal to 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeters. Which is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Question 2. Name 5 large cities in India. Find their population. Also find distance in kilometers between each pair of these cities. So, the 5 big cities of India, which are also known as metros, are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and Bengaluru. Now population of these cities. City population. Delhi's population is approximately 2 crore. Population of Mumbai is approximately 1.84 crore. Population of Chennai is approximately 1.10 crore. Population of Kolkata is approximately 1.5 crore. And population of Bengaluru is approximately 0.9 crore. The next part of the question is, find the distances in kilometers between each pair of these cities. So, we find the distances, cities, distances. Delhi Mumbai. The distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1415 kilometer. Delhi Chennai is 2196. Delhi Kolkata distance is 1534 kilometer. Delhi Bengaluru 2164 kilometer. Mumbai Chennai 1347. Mumbai Kolkata distance is 2048 kilometer. Mumbai Bengaluru 994 kilometer. Chennai Kolkata 1692 kilometer. 1692 kilometer. Chennai Bengaluru 346 kilometer and Kolkata Bengaluru 1905 kilometer. The population of these cities as well as the distance are approximate given in this table. We go to the next set of questions of try these. How many milligram make 1 kilogram? How many kilogram make 1 milligram? So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Equal to 1000 multiplied by 1000 milligram. This is equal to 10 lakh milligrams. The next question in this is a box contains 2 lakh medicine tablets. What is given to us? Number of medicine tablets equal to 2 lakh. Weight of each tablet is 20 mg. Weight of each tablet 20 mg, and it has been asked total weight in gram and kilogram. This is the question asked to us. So we can calculate the total weight equal to 2 lakh multiplied by 20 mg equal to 40 lakh mg. This is equal to, as 1 gram equal to 1000 mg. So if we divide this quantity 40 lakh mg by 1000, so we will be cancelling these last three zeros. So what we are going to get, it is equal to 4000 grams, which is equal to 4 kg, because in 1 kg there are 1000 grams. In next video we are going to do few more questions from the same chapter.